formulas and terms, okay? For some box, or you say non-zero one box. For more advanced statistics course, this is, they call what? Non-Bernoulli what? Random variables, okay? Now, for some box or non-zero one box, sample total is x1 plus x2 plus all the way up to xn. How we define sample mean? Well, it's x bar. X bar is sample total over n, okay? Or you replace total by x1 add up to xn divided by n. I use x bar. But for count box, or you say 0, 1 box, how we define 0, 1 box? Only 1 and 0 go into the box, right? That's what. That's count box. So x1 plus xn can only be 1 or 0, right? We call it a sequence of 1 and 0. We call this the sample count. If you see a success, you count 1 success. If you see a failure, you count 0. Why you count 0? 0 success. Is that okay? So altogether, you are counting how many success you get. We call this the sample count. Okay? In more advanced context, they call x1 to xn. They are Bernoulli random variables. That's more advanced what? Statistics course. That's what they say. Okay? Now, based on sample count, let's look at sample percentage. Sample percentage, I denote it by x bar. What's x bar? It's count, sample count divided by n. Say I flip coin 3 times, and I see 2 heads. So 2 over 3 is what? 67%. This is what? 67% is called sample percentage of getting heads. Is that okay? Now, the formula. EV sample total is equal to average of the box times n. I think I have shown you what this last time, okay? And also today. And how about EV sample mean? EV sample mean is EV sample total over n. But you can pull this 1 over n out of it, okay? So it's 1 over n, EV total. EV sample total is average of the box times n. But n is also the denominator. N cancel. N is a common factor. So this gives you what? Average of the box. Average of the box is called mean. Mean is population average. Okay? Next one. How about SEX bar? It's SE sample total over n, right? SE sample total over n. But look at what's SE total. SE total is standard deviation of the box times square root of n. This is a case when we draw with replacement. The one I showed you last time, you flip a failed coin 100 times. Is what? The model is with replacement. Because last flip you get a head. This flip you can still get what? A head. Next one can still a head. So it's with replacement model. Okay? Now, SE total is standard deviation of the box times square root n. But SEX bar is SE total over n. You pull out 1 over n is 1 over n SE total. Okay? But what's SE total? Standard deviation of the box times square root n and divided by n. So altogether, there is a square root n, this n. N can be written as what? Square root n times square root n. Cancel 1 of it. So you have square root n in your denominator. And this is standard deviation of the box. Standard deviation box, we denote it by sigma. Sigma is population standard deviation over square root n. Okay? This is a case when the draw are made with replacement. Without replacement, we have other formula. I will introduce you next. Okay?